Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Karla. So in today's video, I have some tips for managing and just even if you're feeling unmotivated to clean, whether you have anxiety or depression or just really don't have motivation to get it done. I do suffer from anxiety and depression, and I thought I would share these tips with you guys just to shed some light on you. And honestly, just want to give you a huge hug because you are amazing, and every little bit that you do get to do around your house, it is more than enough. And I honestly know the struggle down to my core, just getting up and even just getting something on the table for your kids and yourself can be really hard. So one of my first tips that I really like to do first thing in the morning is brushing my teeth and changing out of my PJs. So brushing my teeth with the mint, it just wakes you up a little bit more and you feel even better. Just that simple task. So it's getting down to the basics, you guys. You want to just brush your teeth, brush your hair, and change out of those PJs. Even if it's loungewear and comfiness, I am here for all the comfiness and the leggings, but doing those things and getting down to the basics will make a huge difference. And my kitchen looks like this 95% of the time, and that is just honestly, it cannot stay cleaned very often. And even when I have the little bit of energy, it does go into my kitchen first, because I just feel once the kitchen's clean, it's like a domino effect. I can go into other areas and tackle those areas. So my second tip would be to eat a breakfast. It can be some fruit. I know it's literally simple things, you guys, but having a protein filled breakfast with good fats and carbs can really help you with your mood and stabilizing your mood as well. And even a smoothie is so good for you, especially like a spinach smoothie or some oatmeal to give you energy for the day is really healthy as well. I typically have some eggs in the morning with like avocado or corn tortillas. It's probably like my go-to, and that always just fills me up and it makes me feel really good. And my third tip is to get some fresh air. You don't have to spend like hours outside or anything, but even 5 to 10 minutes sitting outside, even better if you go walking for a few minutes. That just really helps your mood. For me, it helps me gain like a different perspective. Instead of being just in my home, making myself go outside, or even getting out in the car, getting some fresh air, putting my windows down, that really helps with my mood as well. And I will even link down below in the description an article that talks about how fresh air can affect your anxiety and depression. I am in no way a professional, but this is just from experience, you guys. I am talking out of experience when I'm sharing these tips with you guys. My next tip is to just let it out. Cry if you need to, scream if you need to, whatever it is, let it out, and surround yourself with people that you love and people that love you. Something about having those people around just gives you so much life. I'm not really sure how, but really does help. Surrounding yourself with the people that like make you smile, or even just talking it out with them really does help. But let it out, cry, and surround yourself with people that love you and you love. And my last tip is to do what you can. It is okay if you get one thing crossed off your list. It is okay if you do half of that thing crossed off your list. Every little bit helps you feel more calm and less depressed. And honestly, sometimes we just can't do it all. So just little by little, I always say this, little by little, you will get it done and you'll get more motivated and more inspired to get more things done. But just be patient with yourself. Patience is everything. So you got this. You're amazing. I love you with my whole heart, you guys, and so glad that you guys were here today. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it is completely new for me to do. So if you stuck till the end, I so appreciate you. I love you guys. Leave me a purple emoji and I will see you very soon.